Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can contact Uber Eats support. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Uber Eats app. So once you open your Uber Eats app, all you need to do is simply tap on the account section on the bottom right hand. Then simply tap on the help option, and once you tap on help, all you need to do now is simply tap on a topic you want to get help for. So once you select the topic, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on I need to contact support. So once you do this, you will end up in this page. So you need to fill in your credentials of your name, your phone number, and your issues and hit the submit button. So once you do this, the contact support team of Uber Eats will be contacted through this form. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.